In society of today, cloud gaming brings people additional convenience, a variety of options, entertainment, and benefits. At the same time, it faces problems of instability, permanence, and non-renewal. Games exist for the sake of profit through entertainment. The love of the people of the game directly determines the survival of a game. Of course, in this era of streaming games, capitalists are crucial to the survival of the games. I was born in 2003 when web media rapidly evolved from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0. The iPad was first introduced to the public in San Francisco, California, on January 27, 2010. The iPad went on sale as a product in April 2010. My parents jumped on the iPad bandwagon in 2011 and bought me the first iPad tablet computer, created in 2010. I was 8 when I got my first iPad. I also remember being able to play various video games that were available in the App Store as free or paid downloads, such as Angry Birds. It also meant that my childhood was spent in the age of streaming games. Cloud gaming has become an interactive application where users can play resource-intensive games on the client side. Cloud media uses powerful computer equipment to run games in remote data centers, streaming the games to users over the internet, capturing user input, and feeding the data back to the mainframe of the center. Cloud gaming is also known as on-demand gaming because users can play it conveniently wherever they want without needing high-specification hardware to run the game. However, this data of all users is transmitted over the network to the host data center to store and process the running programs. While this allows more users to experience the joy of gaming simultaneously, it also brings drawbacks to cloud gaming. Cloud games are closely related to the signal level of the network. That is, network delays will lead to delays, frame counts, loss of critical game information, and video quality degradation problems for games used by cloud gaming customers, resulting in poor user experience. Once a cloud game is removed and taken down, users can no longer play it at their convenience on any internet-connected device. For example, Zombie Farm and Zombie Farm 2, one of my favorite games on the iPad as a kid, combines a farming game and a zombie game. I can grow different kinds of crops and zombies in the fields, earn profits, and upgrade by attacking other farms with zombies. However, the game will no longer be available on the Apple App Store in 2017, so you can no longer download and play the game on any mobile device. Loyal fans of the game have taken advantage of certain internet technologies that make it possible to download pirated copies of the game on iOS 10 and older versions of the iPhone and iPad to recall the game. Zombie Farm is a game abandoned by the capital markets but also left by this streaming era. It will never be able to interact with the audience as if it is dead. Still, thanks to the fluidity of streaming and recording capabilities, network technology will always retain its old data, a fond memory for many fans like me.